A guide you to see hidden mentions on Instagram story. Let's go to Instagram. There, if you scroll down, you can find the stories that have your followings or the followers has mentioned. So if you tap on any of the story, let's say I am tapping on my story, and you can see two. I have mentioned two people there, and in that two people you can see that. But in some stories you can't find the mentions. All you can do is that you can go to that story, and anywhere you can tap on that, and by tapping on that you could find that hidden mentions. There is no proper way to find the hidden mentions. If they scroll all the way down and they have hidden that, there is no direct way to find. All you can do is that you can tap on the bottom lines to find whether they have mentioned or not. Or otherwise, you can tap on that story in the top of that story. They'll be shared that they have mentioned this story to someone. This is how you can see. Thank you.